Namaste to one and all. This is Anup Sachin of 12A.
We have a vast number of mysteries unsolved in modern science. Today, I'm going to share a few facts on one such mystery, the Bermuda Triangle. Let me first define what Bermuda Triangle is and then share a few remarkable and mysterious incidents that took place in the Bermuda Triangle. The Bermuda Triangle is an oceanic region in the western part of the North Atlantic Ocean. This region is between the coastal tips of Florida, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico. As connecting these three places on a map forms a triangle, this oceanic region is called the Bermuda Triangle. This region is so popular and mysterious because of the clueless disappearances of 50 plus aircraft and 20 plus ships. Let me share a couple of remarkable missing incidents reported. So it all started back in the early 15th century when Christopher Columbus wrote that he had his compass collapsed, felt some abnormal sea conditions, and some weird circumstances in the Bermuda Triangle during a voyage. He had also recorded that he had spotted strange lights like lighted lamps in the aerial sky. Then, in 1918, a huge cargo ship called the USS Cyclops was gone missing suddenly in the mid ocean area with 300 of its passengers. In 1945, an aircrew called the Flight 19 that consisted of 5 trooper aircrafts went missing all of a sudden in mid-air while flying above this region. There have been a lot of myths, scientific theories, and conspiracies behind these incidents. Scientists and researchers have said that in the Bermuda Triangle, a very high amount of trapped methane escapes from the deep underwater coverings and in turn affects the stability of the ships and flights passing through the region. Some believe that a mythical submerged city called the Atlantis exists under the Bermuda Triangle. Another proportion of people believe that there is extraterrestrial influence, that is, alien influence in the Bermuda Triangle. People with this belief comment that the radiations due to the alien technology affects the stability of the automobiles passing through the Bermuda Triangle. But most of the people believe that there must be an abnormally high gravitational pull in this region which must have pulled the aircraft and ships into the ocean. No one exactly knows what's happening in the Bermuda Triangle. Scientists are still searching for clues to solve this mystery. I hope this information would have been useful and informative to give you an idea about the Bermuda Triangle. I hope to see you all in another informative platform. Thank you. Namaste.